Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, September 2nd. This is David, and let's take a look at some of these important levels that we've been watching. Right, we've been talking about the Voodoo Lines and the Voodoo Lines roadmap. We covered this last week. We covered it on Monday, and I am bearish this market so long as we stay below this 4083 Voodoo Fire line, the most important of the Voodoo Line levels. Now, what's the second most level? Those are the tree lines. That's where we put in a low back here in June. And if this is indeed turning back down, which I think it is, and a view I'll maintain so long as we hold below that fire line, I think we're going to take out those June lows. Now, the important levels to watch, first of all, if we do bounce more or bounce again, well, keep an eye on the Voodoo Skyline up at 4019. That is basically where we ran out of gas on today's gap up open, crashed through the 3980 Skyline on the way back down. We're now back below the 3917 snow line that provided support yesterday, and then below there, if we can find resistance below 3917, the short-term levels to watch, right, to see if we can push further below 3917 and work our way towards the lower snow line. That's at 3814. Between here and there, we've got 3877 and 3853. And of course, that would push us down towards 3814. If we break below that, I think it's clear sailing towards 3648. So obviously, there will be more to watch about this in terms of how we move between these levels, not just what levels there are in terms of processing the Voodoo Line roadmaps. We'll talk about that a little bit more in the premium video, as well as a few more things to watch as far as tracking a move to the downside. So let's see how all that comes together, and I will see you all at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.